Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner. We are kicking off this year with another review. Over the years, I've done many reviews of different crypto services, wallet providers and exchanges and coins, tokens, ICOs, airdrops, hard forks. Everything that is related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, we review it here on this channel. Today, I'm presenting to you a brand new exchange. It's called Scalpex. It's got leverage trading as well as spot trading. Let's get started. Stay tuned. Okay, Scalpex Exchange, this is what we are reviewing today. This is a peer-to-peer trading platform, and it's offering leverage trading contracts with some of the lowest fees, lowest commissions on the market. And you can also leverage of up to 100 times. And they also have spot trading if leverage trading is not really your cup of tea. They currently have trading pairs Bitcoin USD, Ethereum USD, Ripple USD, and their own native token SXC USD. In fact, USD Tether is the token that they're using instead of USD. This is a stable coin. You're probably already familiar with USD Tether, so I don't really have to explain to you about that. They started with Bitcoin USD trading pairs, and in November they added Ethereum contracts, Ethereum USD 3, 10 and 50 times leverage, and also spot trading on Ethereum and Bitcoin USD versus USD. And they also added Ripple XRP USD with 3, 10 and 50 times leverage as well. Despite XRP being delisted by many of the US-based exchanges right now, this is one of the exchanges where you will be actually able to trade XRP. And in terms of fees, these are some of the lowest fees that I've seen on the market. For market maker, you actually pay 0 fee commission. For market taker, you pay 0.04% on futures and 0.2% on spot trading. The difference between maker and taker, if you don't know, of course, a trade always occurs between two peers. It is a peer-to-peer exchange. You have a market maker, the one who places the order. You have a market taker, the one who is placing a matching order and buys the order. So if your order is staying on the order books, you are the market maker. If you are purchasing an order that is already appeared on the, or matching an order that is already on the order books, you become the market taker. Then only you pay the fee. By the way, there is in fact a smaller fee for Bitcoin to USD pairs. It is 0.03% on the futures. So this is even cheaper. But Ethereum and XRP are taking a 0.04% on the futures fee. You can open long and short positions, or with spot trading, you can place a market or limit order just as you do with other exchanges. You can find a step-by-step guide for the trading on their overview page. And if you're not familiar with leverage trading, I suggest that you use this guide in order to get introduced. Bear in mind that leverage trading is quite risky and you can make big losses as well as big wins. So leverage trading is definitely for the more experienced traders. Spot trading, however, is quite standard, straightforward. This is something that you can do even as a beginner. I also mentioned that they have their own native token. This is SXE. Let's talk a little bit about this. This is an ERC20 token. It is a utility token and it provides different utility functions to the users of the platform, such as discount on commissions, for instance. The holders of Scalpex tokens pay smaller charges for the spot and edge exchanging. Also, internal installments, tokens can be utilized to pay for other trade administrations. And it is also a deflationary token, which is the best part. It means that over time, the supply is being reduced via token burns. This is something that many other platforms are doing, including Binance and KuCoin. They're also burning tokens in order to decrease the supply of their token. That makes it more valuable, in fact. So this is a good thing. They've already done 2 token burns. I'm going to mention about them in just a couple of minutes. It is an ERC20 token, as I mentioned, which means that it's already supported by all of the Ethereum wallets, especially the non-custodial ones, of course, the ones that support all ERC20 tokens, such as MetaMask, my other wallet, mycrypto.com, and other Trust Wallet and other wallets that support ERC20 tokens. And holding the token can actually pay you rewards because it is in fact a staking token as well. So you can stake directly on the platform. Staking is a safe way for Scalpex investors to make extra profit from holding this token. And the first staking product is USD Tether loot boxes. So you're basically earning USD Tether from staking this token. So you don't actually earn more of the token, you earn it directly in USD Tether, which is great. You can just go and use it straight away for trading, or you can cash it out. It's entirely up to you. The staking is done here directly on the platform, and it takes variable times. It could be a day or a little bit longer depending on what amount you are staking. And as you can see here on the screen, I'm currently staking 6,800 tokens. I have another 9 hours and 30 minutes left until this stake is complete, and you can boost your staking, meaning that you can actually earn higher rewards if you use this 25 or 50% boosts. And for this, you are paying either $5 in USD Tether or you're paying $10 in USD Tether. However, that actually boosts your rewards. And let's go here now and open my loot box and see what I'm earning. I've already opened a couple of these, and I won $10 the first time, $5 the next time. Now I'm getting another $10, and now I have another 14 of these rewards. This is because I've been staking now for about 4 days. So as time goes by, you actually keep earning more, and it is kind of random. You're not guaranteed whether like right now I just got 25. Before that I got 5. You can earn up to 100 times every time. So you're guaranteed that you will be earning from this staking, but you have a chance to actually earn a higher amount. It's by random, so it is a very innovative way of staking. I haven't actually seen that, so I just collected another $5 as we speak, and now I'm collecting another 10. I'm probably not gonna hit the $100 jackpot, but even with 25, I'm actually quite happy. I still have 9 more left until I run out of these. Let's get another 5. Okay, and I will another 25. So yeah, not bad at all. Now I'm gonna go into my account, and we're going to see all of these being added to my account. Bear in mind that I did already have $100 in my account, USD Tether, and this will be added to it. So let me just collect all of this, and let's go and see what have I got now in my balance. When I go to balance, I have now $295. It is estimated in dollars, but you actually technically you have it in USD Tether. And as you can see here, the trading pairs Bitcoin versus USD Tether, and you have spot or leverage trading futures. You have SXC, which is their own token. This is only available on spot trading. Ethereum currently available on futures with 3, 10 and 50 times leverage and spot trading, and XRP is also available only on futures with 3, 10 and 50 times leverage. Okay, now as I go into my history, you can see here all of the rewards that I have collected so far. And they also have some extra bonuses. They have 25 bonus currently, referral bonus $25. So if you are referring people, and this is actually what made exchanges like Binance and KuCoin grow so fast in the beginning, because they were the first exchanges that were offering this type of affiliate bonuses. So you're referring, you share this with other people, and you are getting a bonus of $25. You share this with 10 people, you got $250 that you can immediately take out of the platform, or you can use it in your exchanges, in your trading. These are the details of the referral program on your screen right now. It's also good to note that referees get also 20% fee discount. You also have a staking bonus that I just showed you. This is by random, and it's between $1 and $100. Now, I didn't hit the $100 jackpot. Of course, this is not going to be every time. It's not going to be very frequent, but it is there. It is possible, and you're not guaranteed what you're going to get, but you are guaranteed that you will receive a staking reward. So the minimum that you can get is 1, and they're being paid a few times a day. So to take part in this staking, you basically just need to have your account already open, registered, and you go in the staking option and you choose what amount of your SXC you want to stake. You will purchase first SXC if you don't have any, and then you can allocate either the full amount that you have or just a portion of the amount. It's entirely up to you. The maximum amount for the participation in this staking is unlimited, meaning that whatever your amount is, you can use it, and the higher the amount you have, the faster you get these loot boxes created. As you saw, I had 16 or 17 loot boxes, and that was from the last couple of days. So if you have a higher amount, then you will get even more of these loot boxes. Each box is giving you, as I said, a random amount between $1 and $100. So this is how the staking works. It is actually quite exciting. I really like this option. Depending on the staked amount, the creation process of the new loot box can take from several hours to several days. If you're only using something like $20 or $50 worth of SXC, then it might actually take longer time to create one of those boxes. But if you have, like I do, a higher amount, then you will be getting more from the staking. As soon as a new loot box is created, an icon with the new loot box will appear in your account, and the system will send you a notification as well via email. To open a loot box, you will just go to this page, as you see where I am, and I now opened all of my loot boxes, so you can't really see anymore, but you saw how I did it. So it's really straightforward, very simple, easy to use. As I said, this the user interface, this exchange has a very user-friendly and simple, easy to use interface, which is important because some exchanges could be a little too complicated, and as things get complicated, it could be a bit of a turn-off for many. You can use this slider here in order to determine what amount you want to actually stake. In my case, I went to 100%, that's 6,800 tokens. If you have purchased a small amount and you want to keep some of these tokens in order to trade them, or to perhaps just use them to pay your trading fees and stuff like that, then you might not want to be using 100% all of it, and it's entirely up to you. You can just use that slider to determine what amount you will be staking. Now, right now we are seeing on the screen the contract for the token. This is the official contract address, and we can see details here. Right now we see that the total supply, the maximum total supply in fact, is 49,966,322 SXC tokens. However, this supply is going to diminish over time because of the token burn. Also, 40% of the issued tokens were locked in the team's wallet, from where the smart contract will gradually distribute them amongst the team members over a period of 5 years. 50% of the issued tokens were dedicated to public investors, so around 330,000 tokens were sold in their ICO stage in the public sale. The remaining tokens are planned to be sold gradually to new investors on the market. 5% of the issued tokens were spent for marketing needs. 10,000 SXC tokens were spent for the bounty program they run, and the rest will be used for further marketing activities. 5% of the issued tokens were also allocated to angel investors, and they will be locked until the end of 2021. Now, about the regular token burns. In November, they did their first token burn, and in December, they did the second. The first one was on November the 13th. They burned 12,558 SXC tokens, according to their Medium post, which you are seeing right now. At the time of the burning, the price of each token was 75 cents of a dollar. On their Medium blog, they report that in October, the total trading volume was $120 million US, which brought them more than $20,000 in fees. 50% of this amount was spent on token buybacks. So what they do is each month they're using a portion of their profits to buy back tokens, and then they are burning them. This is how they're reducing the total supply of this token. This is why I called it a deflationary token, and this is why the token is actually growing in value, as well as getting more usability. On December the 15th was the second token burn, and they burned 21,117 tokens this time. So this is twice more than what they burnt back in November. At the time of burning, one token was costing 1.58 US dollars. So that is already more than double in price since November. The current price, by the way, of the token is, let me just check, is $1.87. So again, it's already going up as we speak. In December, their total trading volume was around $320 million, which brought them more than $36,000 in fees. 50% of that, half of that, was spent on token buybacks, and this is why they burned more than 21,000 tokens in December. And the next buyback and token burn are scheduled for early January. So probably in a week or 2 weeks time, they will be doing the next burning. So this is how it works. All in all, this exchange comes with some great opportunities for both leverage trading and spot trading, and they're bound to grow as the bull run of crypto has just begun. We're actually in the very early stages of this bull run, which is going to take us to complete new all-time highs. It's already done it over the last few months, and this year and next year, the next couple of years actually, are going to be steady up. I'm pretty sure in that corrections are very small right now, as you can see, and more and more people are coming into the crypto space, and more people start diversifying and trading. This is how I started as well. I first invested in Bitcoin for a good year. I was just an investor, and after a year I decided to diversify and bought in Ethereum, Litecoin, and some other coins, Monero, and a few other ones, and I started actually trading because I realized that having Bitcoin is great to grow my capital, but growing my Bitcoin is even better because then I grow my capital exponentially, and this is the whole reason why we go into trading. Now, to recap, this exchange offers some of the lowest trading fees or commissions, if you want to call it, that I've seen on the market. I showed you the market makers are actually paying zero fee. It's only the market taker that is paying a fee. They also have a very fast machine engine, sub-millisecond idleness for faultless execution. Their security is also really high. They have a disconnected multi-signature cold wallet where they're maintaining users' funds, and they also have a manual withdrawal preparing for greatest reserve security. They also have a very stable and quick user interface, also very simple and intuitive user interface, something that is very important, and they have a high leverage on some of these trading pairs that they offer. They also have reduced fees for token holders of their native token SXC, and they have a very innovative and interesting and profitable staking rewards system for token holders of SXC tokens. And lastly, they have a referral affiliate site, which I mentioned a few times now, but it is really important, guys, because this is what made Binance, KuCoin, and other exchanges grow so fast and become so popular, because people kept recommending them and earning a percentage of the fees that their referrals are paying, earning a straight up referral bonus and all of this, which is just an extra income for you that you can turn into trading capital, and you can grow your capital even more this way. So all in all, I feel that this is one of the good exchanges that you should pay attention to. Take this review as the basis of your research. Go and find out more about them. Use the links in the description box. The official website is there, my referral link is there, their Telegram channel as well. So this is everything. This concludes my report for today. I hope you liked this review, and if it helped you, give me the thumbs up. Also leave a comment below and share it with someone else who would also benefit from watching this. This is everything from me. I'm signing off, and I'm gonna see you in my next episode of Crypto Corner. I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that you are notified next time I'm posting a new video. Adios.